So the US Court of International Trade said that Trump had misused his emergency economic powers and that his executive orders went beyond what any president was allowed to do. This, of course, sent shockwaves throughout a number of asset classes almost immediately. And, you know, ultimately we're seeing now the US Court of International Trade and Trump are absolute loggerheads.
Yeah, they're really kind of, I mean, it was no surprise really that the White House was moving to overturn the ruling. And in fact, you know, Trump came out over the weekend and slapped an extra 25% on steel and aluminium tariffs, so that they're now up to 50%. So he's clearly not too concerned about the ruling. And even Goldman Sachs came out and said, you know, this is only a temporary setback to his trade agenda. And, you know, there's plenty of other tools at his disposal that can be used to continue to implement tariffs. And I mean, the market did react pretty strongly. I think a good capture, a good asset that captures this is the 2-year break even here. So that's effectively market's pricing of inflation expectations over the next 2 years. And you can see, you know, there's quite a big move down when those initial US-China tariffs were moderated for the 90-day period, and then we got another sell-off in the break-evens after the ruling. So, you know, the market was taking the ruling seriously, and yeah, obviously lower tariffs will lead to low expected inflation.